To schedule posts on Meta Business Suite, start by opening the app and logging in to access the dashboard. From there, tap on Create a Post and follow the steps to add a description, photo, or video, as well as any desired location or stickers. Once you've completed this section, tap Next in the top right corner, which will take you to the page where you can schedule your post under the scheduling option. Select Schedule for Later and choose the desired date and time. After reviewing your post, tap Publish in the top right corner, and it will be added to the queue, automatically publishing to the selected platforms at the chosen time. This feature allows you to create posts in advance, ensuring a consistent flow of content without interruption. By following these steps, you can easily schedule posts on Meta Business Suite, helping you to maintain a steady stream of content.